Let's create a new project by going to File, New Project. We'll call the project GigaGal Levels, and we'll store it on the desktop for now. This width and height is fine, and then pixels per world unit we actually want to set to 1. Since we're using pixel art, we want 1 world unit to equal 1 pixel in our art. This area is called the scene. It holds all the components of your level. A project, by default, comes with a single scene called main scene. Let's go ahead and create a new scene, and we'll call it Level 1. Now, let's import some resources. We want to navigate to our raw assets directory, and then select all the sprites we need to build up our level. That will include the enemy, the first frame of the exit portal, the power-up, GigaGal's standing right sprite, and the platform. We can find our newly imported resources in this resources pane. So let's start laying out our level. Now remember, we have a kill plane at about -200, so let's make sure that we place all of our platforms well above that. Actually, 0, 0 is right here, so let's move to the upper right quadrant. We can do that by holding space and then dragging the scene. So let's drag a platform out from our resources into the level. Now we have to do something a little bit weird to get Overlap 2D to properly export the width and the height, and that is convert this from just a simple image into a 9 patch. If we right-click on this platform, we can select Convert to 9 patch, and then we can drag these guides to transform our image into a 9 patch, just like we did back in level 1 of this course. We can apply and save. And now if we want a longer platform, we can just say width 200, and the platform will extend out just like we're used to. Let's add a few more platforms to the level. Now, one more thing. We'll add enemies to our level, but we're actually only using them as a visual marker. The way we're going to specify to our level loader that a platform should have an enemy on it is using the platform identifier. So we'll select this platform, go to identifier, and call this platform enemy. Later, we'll read this in and know that we're supposed to spawn an enemy here. Set up a new Overlap 2D project, create a new scene within that project, import our resources, and add some platforms to the scene, specifying that some of those platforms should have enemies spawned in on them.